Niggas already started with the bullshit. This like a S58 POV right here, bro. So we outside right now. We about to go hit the track and shit right now. Why I just start my intro like that though? What the fuck? YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? We back with another video. And today, as y'all can see, we got the cars out here right now. We about to go hit the track. Yeah, 340 thing, S58 thing. Look at that carbon roof, chat.
What?
That shit hitting. Niggas already started with the bullshit. Yup. It's gonna be a lovely day, chat. So right now, this them back road POVs, man. Y'all can see how well the car really handle and shit. All I can hear is these exhausts right now. That shit is crazy. That's a train track. God damn! Woo! Yo, that shit is crazy loud. That shit is. So we just pulled up on that boy Kev. Feel me? We gonna have a 58 cruise, man. Going to the fucking track. Great fucking guy. He just giving me 20 bucks, chat. Fuck is wrong with them?
A few minutes later.
Yes, sir. So we about to head to the track right now. Oh my God. About to give y'all boys some highway action real quick. Yes, I gotta put my phone right here. Cause that bitch about to be flying everywhere and shit. Yeah, man, chat, we just cruising right now. Yo, this car is loud as fuck. Yo, why this nigga Christian right in my ass, bro?
What do you mean by that?
This nigga D shit loud as fuck, boy. Got y'all boys a little sunset cruise, man.
I'm trying to figure out what time he's open for Bimmer United, but it's not giving no information on it.
I think they'll probably drop it like next week, bro. Like closer to the date, I think. Yo. This like a S58 POV right here, bro. Yo. Yeah. Yo. Yo. Let me start some shit in traffic, chat. Oh. Yo, these Burbles sound different. This shit sound different. Like they don't sound like stock Burbles no more. Oh my God. Look at that sunset. That shit look tough. Do a flyby for the vlog.
Alright.
Yo, look at D and them, look at D and them. Oh my God. Yes, oh my God. Yo, and somehow we end up buying D again, bro. I know he gonna fuck this road up. Yo, look at that sunset, man. That sunset look tough. no. What the fuck? Please tell me you smell that shit, gang.
Yeah, I smell that shit. That shit smells terrible.
Yo, it smell like some shit died back here. Oh, hell nah. I gotta spray some shit. I don't know what the fuck that smell was, bro. That shit pissed me off.
Smell of the back roads and that cow shit, boy.
A cow definitely randomly died somewhere and just sat there for a minute, gang.
That's what the farm smell like and shit. When like my grandfather, he used to do farm work down in Virginia on our house down there, bro, and that's all you smell.
That shit terrible, bro.
Nah, fact.
Yo! Nah! I bet. Yo, get in front of me if you want. Chassis codes, chat. I just built the boost too high. God damn. That shit shopping, boy. Let me try to change the lights up real quick, chat. Let me try to change the lights up, see what they look like. That's what the red look like. That's what the blue look like. I ain't gonna lie, the blue kind of fire. And this what the pink look like. Usually I leave it on, wait, where my purple at? I got two blues. Yeah, there go my purple.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good. You racing tonight?
Am I racing?
Yeah, where's the car?
Mine's sitting over there. It wouldn't get out of its own way.
Thank you. Yo! What's good, bro? Oh, shit. What's good? Where niggas parking at? How far? We can even stay right here, bro.
Yeah, we should go right here.
Oh my God.